Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Somu Parmeshwar. I am respected studies sir.
And my name is V. Kaushik. We are studying
6th Techno.
today soft skills activity is topic
Business School.
special days like light day,
Lame day.
doom day, dumb day,
Death day.
injured day. First one is light day. Sleep. And second one is lame day. Please help me, brother, to my class. And third is dumb day. And fourth is death day.
Your name is what? What is your name?
I can't read them. What?
What is your name?
My father name.
Your name.
Your name. My sister name.
Your name.
Again. No.
Your name.
My name.
Yes.
My name.
Yeah.
My name is
You which standard study?
What?
You which standard study?
My sister which standard study.
You which standard study?
My sister.
You which standard are studying?
Yes. I'm 60 standard study.
What is your roll number?
My sister roll number.
Your roll number.
My sister.
Yours. Your roll number.
My roll number.
Your
sister's roll number now.
Yours roll number.
My roll number.
Yes.
22. Go.
What is